Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share this with you guys. I just got this Winnie collection. It is called Winnie Sunshine Delights and it is just so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I mean, look how adorable these Winnies are, you guys. Now it comes with, I got the whole collection, so it comes with 10 colored images, 10 black and white. These I accidentally printed 2 of them, and then here are the other 5. I have my windows open, so I don't know if you can hear the birds outside. They are loving this weather, and this collection is just so cute. As you can see, it comes with a bunch of sentiments, and of course, just so you know, I do use the silhouette program to resize all of my images and to group them together. So like this one, obviously they come individually, so I grouped them all together, and these I made them just a little bit bigger because I wanted to use up my whole sheet of cardstock. And then here are just some of the prints, the papers. I believe it comes with 20 different designs. I only printed some of them, and as you can see, I already started to cut some of them out, and it is really pretty paper, you guys. And look at that. This one has like a bunch of hearts in the middle of this flower. Oh my gosh, I love this one because it has like all of the different designs. It's kind of like it looks like scraps piece of paper. I really like that one. And then these ones, to me, they look kind of like mixed media-ish. And then the other one that I cut out is this yellow one that I'm currently working on right now. So I am actually going to alter some boxes. So I wanted to share this with you because, again, like I said, this is a brand new collection. I'm going to have a direct link to this collection in the description box. It comes with a lot of stuff, you guys. So as you can see, it comes with, I believe it's 10 colored images, 10 black and white. That way you can color on your own. Oh, also with a bunch of sentiments, it comes with 20 papers, and something that I totally forgot to print out, I just remembered right now. It also comes with a lot of embellishments. It's like, I don't know how many, like 20 of them maybe. There are teacups, flowers, butterflies. What else did I see? I think I saw a bee. Oh my gosh, and birds. I don't remember, but yeah, it comes with a lot of stuff, and that's what I'm going to be working on soon. So yeah, so I hope you like it, you guys, as much as I do. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I will have a direct link to this collection, to the whole entire collection, down in the description box. So open up that description box and you will find the link there. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye everyone.